Hello viewers, welcome to AK Flight. I'm Kenny. Today I'm going to do the maiden flight of this 3-in-1 drone over here. It's capable of delivery, banner towing, and also surveillance. This drone here is operating on a dual camera. We have a 4K camera, action camera on board, and also we have another camera for our video transmission. And with these cameras we are able to track our drone from about 600 meters distance to about 900 meters, 100 meters. That's awesome. That's about 1 kilometer distance, and also from about 600 meters altitude. It's just wow. So on this drone I've planned the 4-kilometer mission as being projected on the screen. On the screen we have the home point. From the home point the plane will take off from its home location. The drone will take off autonomously to the waypoint 1 at 100 meters altitude, then go to waypoint 2 at 120 meters altitude, then waypoint 3 at 300 meters altitude, waypoint 3 at 200 meters altitude, then continues the mission at 300 meters altitude, then return to launch at the last waypoint at 100 meters altitude, then loiter around. So also I will project the FPV view of the drone over here on the screen while I go to the feed. Alright, before I continue my video, or before we go to the flight feed, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click on the subscribe button down below and just give me a subscribe. And also after the video, just go to the comment section and just drop your comment, what you feel about the drones and how we should improve on it. Right, let's go to the flying feed and see what we got.
Drone is now connected to 12 satellite and ready for autonomous takeoff. Mode change to auto. Armed.
Have you started?
Takeoff in 3, 2, 1. Heading to waypoint 1 at 500 meters. Takeoff completed, maintaining altitude at 100 meters. Drone 4K camera view. Heading to waypoint 2 at 200 meters altitude. Heading to waypoint 3 at 500 meters altitude. Drone 4K camera view at 500 meters altitude. Heading to waypoint 5 at 200 meters altitude. Heading to waypoint 6 mode change to RTL. Drone returned to home point at 60 meters
Yes.
altitude.
Yes, sir.
Mission completed. Mode change to FBWA. Engine is disarm. Drone landing. Landing completed.
That's an amazing maiden flight from the 3-in-1 drone over there. Thank you for watching my video. Please click on the subscribe button and also share the video. See you on my next video. Bye.